Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make watercress soup. I used to love this soup when I was growing up, and my mom actually made me have soup 3 times a week. It is super healthy and yummy. And what I'm going to do today is tell you about the different health benefits of the ingredients that I'm going to use. What is watercress? It is considered to be a superfood with over 50 vital vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and in particular vitamin K, which really reduces the risk of bone fractures and it helps with blood clotting. It also has calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Whenever I make a soup, I always include 3 core ingredients: goji berries, red dates, and dried scallops because of their nutritional benefit. Goji berries are actually considered a superfood. This is native to Asia, and it has been a medicinal herb for over 2,000 years, and we generally use this in herbal soups. Why is this so amazing? Because it's actually good for your eyes, it protects your immune system, it stabilizes your blood sugar, and it's really good for a whole host of different issues that impact your eyes, your liver, and your kidneys. So red dates actually helps with blood circulation. Research has found that it balances your mood, it helps with anxiety, and in combination with goji berries, it actually promotes liver and kidney health. It also contains vitamin D, amongst other vitamins. So dried scallops are a seafood that has many trace materials and other nutrients that are really beneficial for our health. It includes minerals such as copper, zinc, and selenium. Why should we include this in our diet? Well, it really gives you high quality proteins and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids.